Throughout history, Arkansas has been one of the great waterfowling states. That tradition continues today as hunters from all over the world travel to Arkansas to experience its abundant waterfowl and unique habitats. It's no coincidence that Arkansas is also one of the great states for conservation, providing unparalleled wildlife habitat and public hunting opportunities, and also contributing to conservation programs on the breeding grounds. For 30 years, Ducks Unlimited and the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission have worked together on important projects across the state, especially on wildlife management areas, most of which are open to hunting. DU and its partners have invested $51 million in Arkansas projects, conserving more than 360,000 acres. For 50 years, the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission has also been a leader in supporting waterfowl conservation on the breeding grounds. Recently, they contributed $580,000 to DU's conservation work in Saskatchewan. DU matched that money, and it was matched again with money from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and the North American Waterfowl Conservation Act for a total of $2.3 million. In total, the Commission has contributed more than $6.6 million to DU's work in Canada. Great waterfowl hunting is no accident. It takes dedication and careful habitat management up and down the flyways. You can find out more about hunting and conservation in Arkansas at ducks.org.
DU Insights is brought to you by Mossy Oak Properties. Find your favorite place at mossyoakproperties.com.